Hey guys, thanks for joining us in Dollars for Door Hangers. So I wanted to explain to you, in case this is your first time being in a group like this, so I wanted to explain to you how it kind of works. So this is the group, and if you, in the announcements here, I have, it says if you see a door hanger that you want to pick, and you want to pick a number, first thing you have to do is pay the amount for your number. It's kind of like a raffle. So this is like a raffle group. Once all the spaces are filled, we will either jump on Zoom if anyone's available and can join us, or we can even record it if no one's available to view the random draw. So we're not going to just like, oh, you win or you win. No, it's going to be computer generated, so we're not having to do that. Let's see. So whatever number it lands on, whoever's name is next to that number will actually win that door hanger. So you could win a door hanger for $1 or $2 or $3. We're going to try to keep them pretty low. And the more people you invite, the quicker these games are going to go, and the spaces will fill up, and you'll get your door hanger in the mail. We've included the enough to cover shipping, and we just charge. We try to get as close to actual shipping as we can, so we're not over, charging for the shipping. It'll be shipped directly to you. And if you have any questions, please let us know. Again, invite all your friends. But here, this is what I want to show you. So, for instance, I just posted this bunny. It's a black and white bunny, and here's the measurements. It comes with the bow. Shipping is included in this price down here. So each space is $2. Once, like say you want to bid on this one, you will go to your PayPal. You'll send, say you just want one spot. You want to pick number 4. Then you'll go to PayPal. You'll send $2 to snappydecor@gmail.com. And in the message, please put that this is for the black and white bunny and your Facebook name, because sometimes, like our Facebook says, I believe it says Snappy Decor. So I wouldn't necessarily know who's bidding. Sometimes your PayPal name is different than your Facebook name. So make sure you tell us what your name is in that message on PayPal. And then you'll send us $2, and then what you'll do is you'll come down here and you'll type in, I would like number 4, please, payment sent. And then we'll go to PayPal, verify it. We will, Sherry or myself will go up here, we'll edit the post and put your name right here next to number 4 once your payment is verified. And just make sure that you read each thing, because there's different amounts. Like this one is $2. This one is $2 a spot. $2 a spot, which generally they're going to be about $2. Let's see. This one is $3 a spot. This one's $2. This one's $1 a spot. So as you can see, there's more spots. So we have to, get that. But once we get more people in here, these are going to fill up really quick. So we hope you have fun. Invite all your friends, and you can win. I'm actually in or I used to be in a group, and it was for Michael Kors bags. So it was actually $15 a spot. So my very first auction that I tried, I'm like, heck, I'm going to try it. And I paid $15, and I won that Michael Kors bag. It was a huge bag for $15. So we won't have Michael Kors bags or anything that's $15. But we want you guys to have fun and get some cool stuff, and we'll be adding more as we go. Thanks for joining us.